98% of people will never take action towards their dreams. 98% of people will never take action towards their dreams. If you're the 2% who watches the whole entire video, you are going to become successful on YouTube. These 3 things are literally preventing you from becoming monetized or even starting your YouTube channel. My name is Lilo. I'm a certified transformational coach, specialized to help you become monetized on YouTube. These are going to be very vague. I do not go into detail with them. It's going to be under 3 minutes, because if you want one-on-one coaching and in-depth topics about this, check out my link tree and submit a document form, Google form, where we can work on planning out a one-on-one schedule. I will offer a free consultation. The first thing that is costing you from growing or even starting your YouTube channel is your distractions. If you're somebody who gets distracted very easily, you gotta figure out a strategy to help you schedule and serve that desire of becoming monetized or even starting your YouTube channel or thinking of ideas. The second one is your dissuasion. Say you have your idea figured out and you got all these things set up and you have all the tools around you, and the minute you're going to start a video and you look at yourself on camera and you start to hear the inner voice or inner critic, and mind you, these can come in any areas or steps throughout the journey, but the inner critic will always be the same. That inner voice encourages you. It's not going to be that. It's going to be the one that's going to be like, you're ugly, you're stupid. Like, it's going to be worst case scenario vibes. That is your dissuasion, deterring you from becoming successful on YouTube. The third one is your Defcon and your flight or flight experiences. If you freeze or heart beats really fast, your palms start sweating, like, it's that outer body thing that kind of occurs when you step into that like position of becoming a YouTuber. And it could just be behind the camera, like you literally like freak out. These 3 things, dissuasions, distractions, and Defcons, 3 things will occur in all areas of life. And if you would like to know more, subscribe to my channel. Check out my link tree below. I offer a free consultation, but you just got to fill out that document. And that's all I have for this video. Stay tuned for more.